In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multilingual surveys with Surveymonkey. As we dive into this topic, you'll find out just how easy it is to expand your survey's reach by catering to an international audience. By following these simple steps, you'll be setting up a survey that speaks the languages of your diverse respondents in no time. First things first, you'll need to log into your Surveymonkey account. If you don't have one yet, it's a quick and easy process to sign up. Once you're in, navigate to the survey you wish to make multilingual. It doesn't matter if it's a new survey or an existing one, this process works seamlessly for both. Now click on the Design Survey tab. This is where the magic happens, where all your creative and logistical decisions are made for your survey. Within this section, you're going to head over to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll notice a gear icon. This represents the Options menu. Go ahead and click it. With one click on the gear icon, a menu panel will slide into view on the left side of your screen. This panel is filled with customization options that allow you to tailor your survey to your unique needs. Here, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled Language. This next step is crucial as you'll decide on the default language for your survey. From the drop-down menu, select the language you wish to set as the primary language for your survey audience. This language will serve as the base version of your survey. If you're ready to add more languages, simply click on the plus language button. This action will bring up the survey languages window. In this new window, you'll see a drop-down menu which allows you to choose from a variety of languages that Surveymonkey supports. Browse through and select any additional languages you desire to include in your survey. Once you've found the language you wish to add, go ahead and click Add. This will integrate the selected language into your survey settings, allowing respondents to view the survey in their preferred language. One important note to keep in mind is that adding multiple languages to your survey is a feature that requires an upgraded Surveymonkey account. If you haven't upgraded your account yet, you might want to consider doing so to take advantage of the full suite of multilingual capabilities Surveymonkey offers. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a multilingual survey in Surveymonkey, expanding the accessibility of your surveys and enriching the data you collect by reaching a broader audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to connect with your participants around the globe. Happy surveying!